happiness and big smiles as they take their final walk as our reigning little king and queen Ligo 2024. Let's cheer them and thank them for bringing so much happiness to our Ligo family. With love and applause, please welcome one last time our Little King 2024, Rio John D. Vega, and Little Queen 2024, Aziza Sara Eldini Amin. Once again, our Little King and Queen of Little 2024.
Hindi pa siya makalakad ng isa? Sige.
Thank you for this wonderful experience. I thanks to my family, relatives, friends, and to Teacher Joanne who, in one way, supported me, to my Mama Carmen, Lolo Ernie, Michelle, Ate Joel, Mami Jare, Kuya Jeff and Ate Nika, thank you for the love you have given me. To my mommy, no word can explain how much you mean to me. And to my number one fan, my daddy, thank you for always supporting me. I love you all and cannot thank you enough for making my dream a reality. As I take my final walk today, once again, I am Aziza Sara Eldin Amin, your daycare Little Queen 2024.
Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Sa pagkakataong ito, nais kong ipahayag ng taos-pusong salamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa amin bilang